curiosity. It's in you and me. At IKEA, we've always been working for a safer home. Always inspired by the lives of the many people. To enable play, exploration, and curiosity. We're born with it. It's what makes us push our boundaries. Find ourselves. Find each other. And find our way home. We're always looking to improve and innovate. That's why we developed Anchor and Unlock, a built-in safety feature aiming to reduce the risk of furniture tipping over. And we will continue on this journey, creating a safer home for everyone, to let you explore, play, have fun, and be curious.